Phakathini eminingi uma ngabe umuntu enezifo eziningi ezikhuluma ngecancer kubuka ubuthakathi. Ngiyafisa uku-emphasize ukuthi when you have ama symptoms of cancer, please go and test and check so that you are able to get treatment. Usungasho ko later on usuyitholile treatment ukuthi hayi ngithizakele kodwa nobuthakathi bebukhona sinankinga ngeke sikuphikise.
Sine fear as black females. Ngazalwa ngama 1950s. You know that rod that you put in there, it's called ingathi isikere esikhulu. Le question engiyibuzayo ngangeke ngiyibuze ngangithula, but my 22-year-old mangimtshela ukuthi akahambe ayokwenza i-pap smear uthi hey ma, but that rod, that big rod that goes into there is still our fear. Can MEC please, in your term of office, ukuye kule department in biomedical technology, uthi in 5 years time, it would speed up, ukusiza ukudetecta i-cancer.
There's a challenge mawami ema-clinic. Asazi noma ikhona nindlela engasayenzeke ama-clinic ethu especially asemalokishini. Awabi kwi-environment evumela ukuthi abantwana bethu abayanga kube lula ama-queues abasemakliniki ngapha nangapha nangapha, so kugcina kuyi-challenge nalokho ukuthi umntwana uthi akahamba eklinikhi yakwenza i-pap smear unless uzofuna udokotela okanye i-gynecologist yakho.
Uma ngabe sithi omama bahlangana on Thursdays, or there are also special meeting days, and we decide ukuthi a particular day is a day of wellness and we want to bring a pap smear. By the way, I will not just bring a pap smear screening, I will bring all the health services. We will run these clinics in our own facilities, but ngicela ukuthi siwarane nani in your own programs. Kube ikliniki yenu nje esihamba nayo. Siyibiza ngokuthi thina isibhedlela kubantu mangabe siphuma semphakathini. So siyobe sesiyisibhedlela ke kumanyano ke lolo siyanalo. So definitely we will do that. In terms of technology, we are really quite far behind on some of the things that are clinical. Kodwa our scientists are working on it, and ikhona i-program. At any given time, there's always a research ebukayo ukuthi yini into engakwazi ukuthi isize. By the way, there is a difference between cervical cancer and ovarian cancer. And ukuthi zitholakala kanjani akufani necessarily. So we use the pap smear for cervical cancer, but for ovarian cancer, we then have to do a test specific. Issue yama clinics to environment that is not conducive, I take it and I agree entirely. It means we do need to think around a focused women's health clinic in some clinics. Singeke akwazi ukuyenza kuwo wonke ama clinic, but we will try and start ukuthi sithi le ikhuluma nge-women's health in general. Pap smear, cervical cancer, zonke lezo zinto ezikhuluma nabantu besifazane sithi le clinic eyalo.